So on my first pour, I've got myself an iPhone. I tell you what, that don't look like it's been in there long, so I think I need to get that dried out, because if you look at that, that is mint condition. Look, really clean. That could still be a worker. Never found one that works, probably apart from a Nokia.
I'm going to plug it in.
Yeah. If that works, we'll see if we can find the owner. So, yeah, that is really clean. Excellent find. I should dry it off with. So on my first pour, I've got myself an iPhone. I tell you what, that don't look like it's been in there long, so I think I need to get that dried out, because if you look at that, that is mint condition. Look, really clean. That could still be a worker. Never found one that works, probably apart from a Nokia.
I'm going to plug it in.
Yeah. If that works, we'll see if we can find the owner. So, yeah, that is really clean. Excellent find. I should dry it off with. Remains of a paint can or something. Bit of bar. Another nut. Just a flattened piece of metal. Got a pole. Hang on. You need your magnet on here as well. What you got, Aaron?
I've got a couple of bits bent and a pulley wheel.
You can't hear a word he's saying. He's got a pulley wheel and some random bits.
More magnet, I'm on it.
Yeah. Me too. That's a long pole. Oh.
You've got a union on it.
It's a bolt together, I think, isn't it? Well, I'll take it straight out then. Grab the other end. We got a pipe. A long pipe.
Oh, that's big size. You've got a little head, haven't you? You want a little head? A lamppost cover?
Yeah. Oh. Modern though. Modern ones never have anything on, do they? Lamppost cover or a shin pad for Nicola.
Feet are that long, the legs are that long.
It's meant to go above your knee. Steel strap with a D shackle on the end. Bit of pole and a brake pedal. Brake pedal? Bike pedal. I think it was a paint can many years ago. metal corner, or something, piece of rod. Centre of bike wheel, couple of handles, and piece of rod, caster wheel, a something. It's got brass on the end. It's a bit of a weird shape, whatever it is. Bit of rod, washer, brake pad. Looks like a big engine, a hook, and a bracket. I did leave your weed in it. I think she left a weed in it. Found a pole. Another one. Do what? Oh.
Looks like a clutch cover.
Just done it.
It is.
Oh. It's a clutch.
It's an old one. Because it's not a bearing, it's a thrust washer.
Go on then, Nige. What car's it off? Which Daimler?
Oh my god, that's an ancient clutch cover. I know, that's what I just said. Oh, it's got to be what? Farina or...
I would say Daimler, Mercedes, of some description.
It's too small though. Yeah, I'd say it's too small. It's like the original Mini clutch cover maybe, that sort of size. Well, what's that, 160? It's tiny. But yeah, that was the how the clutch covers used to be.
It stinks.
Back in the day. It's old. Very old.
So I found an old clutch cover. That's a very early one. Now we are opposite the Mercedes Daimler factory, so you never know, but that's a really old clutch cover. What you got, Aaron?
I don't know. I got a heavy
thing.
thing.
One of them. Just probably.
Did the best.
Bit of bar. Bit of shoe. Centre of a bike wheel. A Stanley screwdriver. And a storage bin handle. Bit of bar.
That was a bit mean, sorry.
That was a
Bit of
little
pole.
bit mean, Aaron.
It was a little
Bit of
bit
scaffolding.
It was very funny.
Pot joiner. Little tap wheel under all that. And that's a nut under all that.
I think you found that, I just picked it up.
Yeah, a bit of pipe.
And
A little face shield for a cat. It's a medieval cat face shield. Brake reservoir cap, we had them before and all that. If you clean it up, it says brake fluid. Another bit of scaffolding. Some sort of fix-it clamp. And another lid of something. Yeah. We got, Aaron.
got a hot point fuse cover. Now,
Ooh.
I'm going to hazard a guess that this is off of a cooker, because last time we were here, you've had a cooker knob today.
Yep.
We had lots of hot point cooker parts.
So we could be near here somewhere where hot point was.
Are they being hot point irons?
They could well be.
Well, they would have been hot, we're never using them.
Well, we shall see.
look like a pocket watch.
What I had at the Thames.
Could be. Yeah.
Yeah. I had one of them from Cookham.
What is it?
Well, we thought it was some kind of paraffin lamp or something, like there'd be a wick there or something.
Oh yeah, a bit like what
yeah, 'cause there's
Rusty in Birmingham.
The filler.
Yeah.
Right, so
I
we've just
had
got
one
that, which I think is the base of an old greenhouse heater or something. You put your paraffin in there, it would have had a wick just there, and that's like the paraffin tank for it. That's pretty solid, that. I've also got a shin breaker pedal, some sort of electrical contactor isolator switch or something, not quite sure what. Some sort of lever arm. Another big switch. What you got, mate?
I got a lighter.
Got a skeleton on it.
Yeah, a smiley one as well.
Smiley skeleton.
And a bit of bent metal plate.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
I think I found where they were making switches. That's 4 now and 2 pulls. And that's what you call a mooring pin. Look at that thing. That's really strange. It's on the end there though. Oh no. Come on. It's just a big pin. Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, I've got it. I've got it on mine. I didn't clean it.
Flange according to them. Another one of those switches. I've got a lighter but mine's got no smiley face on it. And a bike lock.
And the rain ain't turned up yet.
Looks like a hobnail boot shoe. You don't normally find them in canals.
No?
What you got, mate?
Well, give Bill the weight of that, seriously. I know what it is. It's a UFO.
Hang on. What you got, Aaron?
UFO night.
X marks the spot, that means your treasure's in there, but
Wait a minute. Going around on TikTok at the moment is
it's really weird that is.
the rumour of some 9-foot aliens. And funny enough, I've no clue what it is, but that's heavy, isn't
I don't know, but it needs cleaning up and painting. Nice car. It's another one.
The rod nail.
That's 6 now in 3 throws.
Oh, the hot one.
No, they're switches.
Oh, back to me.
No, switches.
Oh.
Another one of them switches.
Whatever used to be here then, where these new buildings are.
Bucket handle. And rubbish. Pair of fence pins. Switch number 7.
Are we going individually or is that 8?
Okay. 8. Some random bolts.
Put a plate.
That's another one. That's number 9. Hello.
Number 10.
These must have been the first electric cookers for all this hot point stuff.
Yeah. Definitely electric, because that was the fuse cover.
Couple of bits of plate. You going around the bend?
I am going around the bend.
With a smelly pipe?
We've got the key.
Oh, we've got the key. We've got the secret. It's just come off, so.
Big then, man.
I know. Grab it again. Oh.
Oh, good luck.
Rod rest. Switch number 11. And chaff can. Hang on.
12, 13.
14.
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah,
I think I see you.
probably, yes.
There you go.
I got a pole. I've got a really big pole. I'll show you this pole. I'm going to get Aaron to give me a hand with it. So the pole starts there. Hang on. We'll go for a walk. And then it goes all the way down there. Yeah. Oh, that's all going down my arm.
Random pull then. So we've got 15 and 16. And I think that's an old knife.
It is.
Proper old, that is.
Not much of that left. I've just got a pole.
Is that number 17, my friend?
Oh, so there's another one.
17.
You know it's all going to be copper windings in them, but by the time you strip them down, you've wasted your life and not got enough copper. Oh. Fishing spinner. Bloke here, he's taking his boat for a walk. Won't he play? Won't he let you on? Talk about fuel save. But they are actually. See that guy there, he's got a rope. And he's tied to the boat. He's actually taking his boat for a walk. That's different. I've got a bike rim. And just loads of random nuts and bolts and things. File.
File, yeah. And number 18. You ain't got a brake lever?
Yeah, I would say so. 19, 20.
Bike brake lever.
I think that's one of them superhero bands, you know, where you put it around your wrist. I don't think my wrists are thin enough. Hang on. There we go. Superhero band, eh? Yeah, super North band. And that thing there. We won't get that off because that's smelly. I don't know what it is. It's a bit squashed. It's a squashed something. Bit of pipe. A washer. A hook. And a spanner with a washer encrusted to it.
Well, you already know what these are, but it's 21 and 22.
I think I need a new bag. It's my third knife for the day. Nice whitish one. Bit of Dexion, just a bit of metal. Bowl with a bent bolt. Bit of guttering. It's the end of a dipstick.
All of them.
It's a mushroom. Tax disc holder.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, motorbike tax disc holder. There we go, and he's got a tax disc holder. How many are we at now?
22, I think.
24.
and then we'll have 25 and 26.